Now let's see how easy it is to migrate a Tableau dashboard to Power BI using Pulse Convert. First, click on the twbx upload button and select your tableau.twbx file. Once selected, click Submit. You'll receive a notification confirming that the file has been uploaded successfully. Uh, Click OK to start the migration. Pulse Convert now automatically analyzes the Tableau file and converts it into a Power BI ready format. Now let's compare the Tableau and Power BI reports side by side. Here you can see in Tableau parameter, filters, cards, measures. Now in Power BI, parameter slices migrated accurately. Dashboard level filters recreated using Power BI slices. Results matching perfectly across both platforms. After applying filters, cards showing identical values, ensuring data consistency, measures successfully migrated as tax expressions in Power BI. All these elements are now fully available and functional in Power BI. This is how Pulse Convert delivers fast, accurate, and reliable BI migration, reducing manual effort, risk, and time to value